Yeah, hello. Hello. I'm audible, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
hi, good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Yeah.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So, today we have a Solve with Instructor session for week 6, right? No? Okay.
Sir.
So, please go to this joinpd.com and enter this code ECTKGN. Okay. Then you will be able to answer your responses. Okay. And it will be good that if you join this joinpd.com and enter your response, it will be fun. Okay. Chalo. So I give you couple of minutes. So already I think what's time now if correct? Okay, 8:05. So we'll give you a couple of more minutes to join and then we'll start the session. Is it good?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, great. Chalo
Sir,
then. Yeah. Who is this?
I have some doubts from activity and practice question.
Yeah, so okay, so we'll take after this session, or we'll be in the session after 10, I will take that doubts. Okay, please be in the session. Okay, sure.
And also, sir, could you please explain today the train data set?
Okay, okay. So I will explain that. Don't worry.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have doubt regarding if I want to compare the data set from the last. If I want to compare something from the last.
Okay, so I will answer other doubts also, but after this session, once I finish all the questions, so then I will try to answer. Okay, no,
Yes,
because this
yes,
is
sir.
session dedicated for Solve with Instructor session, and
Yes,
once
sir.
I
Yes.
finish that, I will take other doubts. Okay.
And sir, one thing more, sir, when we will get some that email ID which
I will get at the end of this semester, by end of this semester. Don't worry about that. That work is pending from our side. So don't worry about that. We'll definitely, we are working on that and we will provide you that email ID, the online degree email ID you're talking about, no?
yes, sir, because for discussing some
Yeah.
sometimes it's
Okay. Yeah. So we'll give that one. Don't worry about that. Okay.
thank you, sir.
Okay.
And sir, I have one request to you, like to all CT team, like can you please arrange more classes for from the next week onwards?
Yes, definitely. So we'll do that one. So tomorrow you will have one session, I think.
On-demand solve with us session. We have requested Prashant sir yesterday.
Okay, okay. So
For
actually,
permutation and
in
combination.
week 5 we have conducted, I think, two I think on-demand sessions, no. And week 6 is not too much in more different from week 5 because that is based on mostly list concepts, no. So, but okay, we'll do that. If you guys are feeling difficulties in that, we'll conduct it.
And sir, like if you do Telegram on-demand session, could you please record that one too also?
Okay, okay, okay.
Sir, did we have any on-demand system on this week?
Yeah, we'll have.
Sir, almost everyone is joined, so I think
Yeah, okay.
we can
So
start.
I have 30. Okay, only 41 students have joined. So okay, chalo. We'll start the session. We'll talk these things later. Okay. Once.
Yes, it will be better after the session, sir.
Okay, guys. So yeah. So the first 2 or 3, I mean, 3 to 4 questions. Like first question is just a warm-up question. Okay. Okay. So I give you how much time? I don't think so. More than 1 minute. So please mute yourself and try to answer that. Okay, so we have to, this is the LAB, a non-empty list of integers. A list is constructed based on this pseudocode, and I'm asking what will be, whether it is true or false. You have to select A and B. If your finding is true, select A. Otherwise, false, then B. Okay, chal. And please don't write anywhere. It's good that chat Don't write your answers. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, so I think time is up, guys. For so, but still, I just give you 10 more seconds to answer this one. Okay. Please, I can see only 28 responses out of like 41 have joined. Okay, please enter your responses first. Okay, guys. So I can still see 33 response. Do you guys go on more time? Or it's done?
It's done, sir.
Okay. What about others?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So
Done, sir.
sorry.
Done.
Okay. So let me see the responses. True, true, false, A, B, B. Okay, my. Oh, so many. What is this? Okay. According to me, I think this is false.
Yes.
Sir, could you explain this?
Yeah, I will explain, but solve another problem. I will explain. Just mark your eyes. You guys have a notebook, no? So write on your notebook. I will explain at the end of this set of problem. Okay. So next question. Next question is this one. This is just warm up type of question. So once I think there are 5 questions in this sub parts are there. So once I finish that one, then I will explain at a one. Okay, chalo. So another 1 minute I'm giving you to solve this one. Chalo. So this is just a warm up question. Okay. Go to your basics only. No need to put too much mind in that. Just consider one of the like LA some dummy list.
No overthinking.
Yeah. Yes. That's why this is just a warm up question. Chalo, I can see 25 responses out of, I think I have joining how many? 46. And in that, I can see only 43 have joined. So where are another 3? And why this attendance is so much low? I mean, just to 43. Too much. Okay, another 5 seconds. You need to submit the responses. Okay, chalo. So I want to time up, guys. Responses B, B, A can A, is A, B. It's a mixed response. Okay, chalo. Next question. Oh, so this is false, yes. How it will be, I will explain in couple of minutes. Chalo, next question. Is there any other session going on parallelly? I mean,
No.
no, but why?
Math session is still going on.
Okay. So that open session or solve with first session?
Practice.
Open session.
Open
Open
session.
session.
Okay. Then maybe in couple of minutes they will join. Or maybe they actual. Yeah. So another 1 minute for this one. I can see 21 response. 23. Okay, guys, we do it first. I can see 29 responses. 50-second remaining now. Countdown. Yeah. Oh, Python is yeah. Python actually works parallel, and I think for the diploma guys, it is difficult because both sessions runs parallelly, and they have to do both the courses. I think. Chalo. Let me see the responses. Yeah, A B A B. Oh, still I don't know why people are making mistakes. According to me, it is false. All
Why
false.
is it?
Yeah, I will explain at the last. Two more questions, then I will explain. And all are based on this one. Chalo. Next question. 1 minute. Yeah, who will okay, who is the first one have responded? Doesn't want to tell. It's okay. I mean, so there is 50% possibility. So that's why either A or B, I guess.
No, there is no 50%.
So 50-50 chance is there, na? Just put it randomly and yeah.
But we can't guess it randomly, no.
Okay, chalo, yeah. Okay, so last 30 seconds.
So again, false.
Sorry,
Again, false.
I don't know.
Done, sir.
Okay, last 15 seconds. I can see only 28 response out of 47 joins. Okay, last 5 seconds. Please enter your responses. Fast. Should I show the response? Okay, let me see the response time up. Okay, false, true, false, B. Okay, A. So this time people have guessed based on that again. Now everybody is false. Last previous 3 questions was false. So this time also false. Huh? Oh, you guys are right. Okay. Last question. Yeah. So this will be also false. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah. Chalo, last one. And yeah. Minute to show the answer.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
So done.
Okay. So I can see only 22, 25, 26. Chalo, last 20-second. 32 out of 48 joinees. 33. 30. Okay. So in every session, like that, strength is there? 50, around 50 only?
Sometimes it's like
Yes, sir,
70.
mostly.
Yes, it's around 60 or something.
Mostly like maths only 45 like that.
Okay. Okay. I think we should do something interesting here so that people will come. Chalo, time up, guys. Again. So this was okay. B, true. Okay. So this time most of the people have responded as true. Let me see. According to me, it's true actually. Okay. Chalo. So this was. Huh?
I thought it was
C
updating in
option
red
was
and
false, sir. B option was false.
This will be false, huh?
Yeah, B option was false. You were saying true, be true.
That's why that. Chalo. Okay, so I will go from the beginning and yeah. So chalo. So let me open my thing. Okay. Let me bring here. Yeah, my notepad is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes, sir.
What it is, first of all, just read the para. Let LA be and non-empty list of integers. Okay, and a list LB is constructed using the following pseudo code. Select the following statement true or false. Okay, so chalo, what we do here, just we have to consider something to make you understand. Chalo, LA is there, no? LA. Some what is that? It is non-empty list of integers. So you have to consider like this. Okay, I cannot consider list of lists because the question itself is showing what?
It is a list.
List of integers, no, non-empty. Also, it should be not empty.
Empty.
Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why you have?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why I have considered LA like this? Any doubt?
Sir, can you
sir.
take
No, sir.
random integer?
Can you please tell me again?
Sorry.
Sir, can we take any random integers?
Yeah.
Like
Random. Tell me.
45. Right.
What do you tell me then? Tell
Sir,
me.
any kind.
Sorry?
45, 3, 1,
45?
like this. 3 and then 46, like this.
40. Okay, it's okay, or should I do something different?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Fine. Everybody is okay with this?
We can take negative also, sir. Integers are negative as well.
Yeah.
Minus 11.
We can take anything that hardly matters.
ठीक है?
ठीक
That's
है,
all?
sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. What we are doing? We are having LC is equal to LA. So this was defined, which we have given that LA is a non-empty list. It can have any length. I just consider for the 3. It should not be also big to understand this code. So just consider at some sufficient number. It's 2 is also fine. 1 is also fine. 1, I don't think so. It will be here, but just consider for 3. That's right. Sure.
For 1 only, for length 1 only, it is refuting. I mean, for that reason only it is false.
Yeah. Chalo. That we will also check. There is something revision. Chalo. So LC will be what? Can anybody tell me? LA.
Same.
LA.
It will be same.
3 minus 11.
Any doubt?
Sir, here only single equal to is there. Doesn't it mean that LC will transpose to LA or something like that?
Okay. Chalo. A is equal to 6 and B is equal to A. What do you mean? What will be the value of B?
Sir, this will be in mathematical terms, but
This
in
is
computers.
assigning, you know, one thing, assign and equality check. So this is, we are assigning the value, whatever the stored in A, we are storing in B, variable B.
It will be 6, sir.
6, no?
Yes, of course.
Read out.
6.
No?
Okay, sir, understood.
Understood, no? So, chalo. So LA will be, now we are having LB.
It
LB
is
will be
a
what?
it is a list of lists.
So LV looks like, so see, you have already one square bracket. So you are going to write LA like this. This is the what expression is showing, no?
So it would be list
But
of
a list of lists, no, sir.
List of list having one element.
That's all. I haven't done anything extra here. Whatever the value of LA, I just wrote there. Agree, everybody?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Hey,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
any doubt? How
No,
many
no.
have? Any we
No,
have?
no.
3. Any doubt? Anyone till now?
No, sir.
So only few people are speaking. I don't know why.
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Chalo. Okay, so until so far so good. Now, chalo. Now we are going to this loop. While loop started here, ended here, and this is inside of. So what is the condition we have to check to execute this part? So we are checking while, okay, while length of LC should be greater than 1. Okay. Then it should true. So what is the length of LC you have? Can anybody tell me?
3.
3.
sir. 3, sir.
Everybody agree on this? So 3
Yes.
is greater than
Yes, sir.
not.
Yes, sir.
True? Will it go inside?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what you are going to do? LC will be rest of
LC.
LC.
LC. I will ask to someone. Don't talk. Means don't tell without asking. Okay. This is okay. Yeah. This will be also bold. Okay, just consider these are the bolts, the variables. No, chalo, theek hai. Guys, what will be the value of this LC now? I have how many joining? I will ask with the guys. I have never spoken. People will leave the session.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Himanshu. Himanshu.
Yes, sir.
Himanshu Dikshit.
Yes, sir.
What will be the value of LC here? Can you tell me here, please?
Sir, it will be 3 and minus 11.
Nice. Everybody agree on this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now LV will be LV plus what is that? LC.
3 LC.
Okay. So what is the value of LV you have?
Sir, it's a list of lists. That is 45, 3 minus 11.
Plus LC. What is the value of LC you have?
That is 3 and minus 11.
more list.
So
Yeah,
LC will be what? This one,
3 and
no?
minus 11. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I will ask now with the random person. Those who are not talking at all. Please don't leave. Okay, next. Shalaja, are you able to hear me? Shalaja, are you able to hear me? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what will be the value of LV here? So I have written all the expression. You have to just write the final value. It's okay, Melanie. If you are having difficulty or if you're not able to understand, just tell me. But
I forgot to unmute my mic.
Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah.
Adding both of them.
Yeah. So
45, 30.
final value?
Yeah, 45, 3, minus 11.
It should be like this.
The list and list,
Yeah.
not the values and values.
It will look like this.
Yeah.
And what will be
Only
the length of LV now?
2.
Okay. Okay.
Two.
Great. Yeah. Chalo. Now we have came here and now we are going again. So again we have to check out. So what is the length now? While let me just copy this guy. See. Is it boring? People are. I think just people have.
No, sir.
No, sir, it's not boring.
Yeah, like people have made mistake. That's why I'm just explaining one time. So that's why I taken. Okay, chalo. Now what will be the length of LC? Can you tell?
2.
Two. Because LC we have updated with the rest of LC that has only 2 elements. So 2 is greater than 1. It's true or false statement?
True statement.
True.
Statement.
So now what will be the value of rest of LC here?
Minus
11. Minus 11.
Everybody agree on this? If
Yes,
not,
sir.
let me know.
Yes, sir.
Now we have this guy, and yeah, now we have LB is equal to LB plus plus. So LB is what? This guy, no? Final value, this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And control V plus plus. Now LC is what?
List of minus 11.
Minus 11.
11. Why this came? I don't know.
Strike true.
This is
Strike,
strikeout.
sir.
Automatically. Okay. Now this is pretty much easy, no? Just let me copy and paste. Control C,
Yes, sir.
V, and this will be minus 11. Agree? Everybody, this is true, no?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now again, we are going where? So we have updated LV. Now we are going to check again this guy, because now we have control V. What is the length of LC?
1. Now it gets 1.
So 1 is greater than 1.
False.
Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo. So until now, anybody is having problem?
No, sir.
Chalo. Now we are going to check the options. Chalo. How? Just see. Okay. My screen is visible. Chalo. Now see. Length of LV. What is the length of LV? Can anybody tell me? Okay. So I need to move this
Three.
LV. What is the length? Okay. Just give me a second. I will write LV. So LV, we haven't done anything, no? LV is like, please mute, guys. Please mute. LV is like this. Mute.
Sir, please mute from your side. Sir, please mute from your end.
Yeah, I muted. Sure. Yeah. Now LC also I have to also write. So LC is this guy, no? And now we have to just check. Chalo. This is the final value, I think. Am I correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now length of LV is what? 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Length of LA
3.
2.
minus 1. How much?
2.
2.
True or false?
False.
False.
Correct. No. First what we are checking? Length of LV 3 is equal to 2. No? It's true or false?
False.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Chalo. Next we are going to move. What is that? Second.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, you have doubt. Huh?
The function rest is there, sir.
Yeah, where? Okay. Chalo.
Everywhere. So the function rest will just remove the first element from the layout, right?
Here.
And remaining it will be counted. For every time if you put a rest function, it will take just remove the first.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So next we have at the end function of LC will equal to an empty list. What do you think? LC what?
False, sir. It has
False.
one element.
Because we have this guy greater than, then we are allowing, no? Chalo.
Yes.
Next we have, so this is actually also false. Any doubt? No, no.
No, sir.
No.
Third is what? Okay. So this is third, and where is my thing? So what is that? Each element of LB. Each element of LB is a copy of LA. Element of LA is one element. So what is the element of LA here? 45, 3 minus 11. Agree? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
element of LB? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, it will be the copy of LC, not LA.
So yeah, see, copy of LA.
No one.
No, it's not copy of LA or LC.
Yeah, so this is one element, this is another element, and this is another element. So these are not copy of element of LA, no? Element of LA is 45, 3 minus 11, whereas the element of LV is 45, 3 minus 11. So the whole list is an element of this LV, another element. Agree? That's why it is false. Guys,
Sir, here, sir,
tell
here,
me.
Sir, here,
one by one, please. Yeah, tell me.
sir, here, what is the meaning of copy of LA?
So
I mean,
element of LV,
copy of elements of
element
LA
of
or
LA.
LA?
That is what it is mean here. Copy of element of LA is not there, no?
So means the whole LA, the list LA should be a copy of LB, or each element of LA
Each element
is
of
a copy of.
LV. So each element of LV is copy of LA. Means whatever the elements LV have is a copy of LA, elements of LA. Matlab, both are same.
Elements of LA.
Sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, that means if the statement were to have been true, then all elements of LB had to be, first one is 45, 3 minus 11, second one is also 45, 3 minus 11.
Yes, true. Both are same. They are the duplicate.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Means all the elements are same.
So initially, if you see LA and LC, each element of LC is a copy of LA. This is true statement. Understand? LC, because these are the copy, means they are duplicate. No? Understand? So
Yes, sir.
that time it will be true.
I don't understand, sir. So it's a copy of LA if each element of LB is a copy of LA, means it's just 45, 3 minus 11, or first element is 45, 3 minus 11, second element is 45, 3 minus 11, and third element is 45, 3 minus 11.
Okay, so you are thinking in that way. Okay. So this statement is little bit going in that direction also, which since we haven't written element of LA, so you can think that one also. Still, that is not true. So what's
Okay.
What's your name?
Pratibha.
Pratibha. Yeah. So what Pratibha is saying here, like LV should be 45, 3 minus 11, 45, 3 minus 11, 43, 3, 45, 3 minus 11, like that she is saying. But that is also not true, because it has different element. What we mean to say here, I should have to written an element actually. So it should be like just copy LA is equal to LV. That's all.
Sir, like LA has one element, and if we have in LB the same element like 45, 3 minus 11 multiple times, then it will be copy or not?
Yeah, so that's a true. See, for making it true, it should look like this.
And number of elements with the same identity will matter or not in the LB, like yes, that's what I'm talking.
So it should be each element of LV is a copy of LA. So what are the elements? 45, 45, 3.
And
it can have this also, like ulta. I mean, a sequence can be changed, but each element is a copy. Means it can have like this 40. What is that? 45. No? Yeah.
Order doesn't matter inside the list, right?
Yeah. No, order matters, but I am just saying the copy. Each element of LV is a copy of LA. That is what element of here is also here. So that's
and we can't have any more element in the LB.
Also there.
So then it can also be true that if LA have elements 45, 3, 3, because 3 is also element of LB.
3 is also element of
LB. I mean, if one element is repeated twice.
Yes.
like what I'm saying, sir, like in
No,
LB.
no, no. So
Like-
the copy will be copy. You cannot say because
So
each
like we can
actually. So
we can discard minus
I
11 from
understand
LA.
totally. I understand what you guys are saying. So little bit confusion is here because we haven't written element or each element like that. That's why confusion is coming.
No, what I'm saying, sir, like in LB, we have 45, 3 minus 11, one element, right? And we write the one more element with the same, like 45, 3 minus 11. Then it will be copy or not? Like copy it and just paste it another.
Like that you are saying.
Yes, just paste it and there will be.
Pratibha was saying initially.
So it is a not to copy, right?
So
I
there
think it is a
still
copy.
no that if you are taking as that a whole list as an element of this one, but still this is not true because I have not clearly written here, but that can be the case, but still this condition is not true, no? Because I can you see this? Because LV we have this value, these are understand, but LV according to that, if you are thinking in that direction, then LV is coming in this one. No, understand? So still that is false. If you consider in that way also, it is false. Okay.
The first example you gave, can you explain that one also? Like if we have same three elements but in reverse way, then can we call it as copy?
Yeah, copy of means the elements we are saying. So elements is copied. But if you say LA and LB are same, that is incorrect.
But in
Elements
that
are
case,
copied.
order reverse. So
yeah, so that's why see order will be reversed. So both are not the same list. Understand? This is the
That means are you meaning like first element of LA is equal to first element of LB, like that so on. Second of
that is
LA
called
equal
as
to second of LB.
list. If LB, if I'm writing here like this, so they are like duplicates. Understand? Here LA and LB are same, but this can be also according to it will come true if we have in this other order, but elements should be present. Then this condition make it true. If LB is if some case or some pseudocode, if you write like that and the sequence will be changed, still this condition will make it true because each element of LV is a copy of elements. Actually it should be here elements of LA. So each elements is a 45 is there, 45 is here, 45 is also here, 3 is also here, 3 is also here, minus 11, minus 11.
Yes, sir.
What if we
Sir,
write
if
an
LB
element?
was the list of lists, then what would be the case?
LV should be the actually this is the list of lists only, no?
No, I'm talking about the last sentence of
Okay,
it.
enough
Last
discussion
statement.
in this. Again we are stuck here. What?
sir, I got confused again.
See, nothing.
Sir, to me, LB appears as if it is the power set of L. Means it appears like that.
Okay, so that is what I have. Since this statement is little bit not clearly written here.
Actually, sir, the definition of copy is not defined.
But still for both condition, if you consider that each element of LB is a copy of LA, if LA is a element, if you are saying the LB, but for that case, it will come like this. But for us still, that is not true because LB you have this one. Okay. If you are considering each element of LB is a copy of each element of LA, for that also, then it will be what? If this is condition is coming, then it is true. But what is we have LV? LV is this one. So that's why it is false. For both condition, it is false. Okay.
Yes, sir, it is.
So that means order doesn't matter here.
No. For that here, I am just not considering as order. But if I say here this LA, if I consider LA1 and this is LB2, so here LA is equal to LB1, but LA is not equal to, where is my not equal to sign? Yeah. Not equal to LB2. Agree, no, everyone?
Sir, can we say that LA is copy of LB?
LA is copy of
LB.
LB1, no?
Yes, we can reverse it, no?
No, sir, my question is, can we say that LA is copy of LB?
So, so which one? Here you are saying this one. You are saying LB1. I have just changed the name. So LB.
Sir, upper one. Upper one.
Where?
In point number 3, sir. 3.
Yes,
Point
sir.
number three. Yeah.
3.
After the false.
Yeah. This one.
Before
No.
that one. Yes.
LA
Yes, sir.
is copy of.
LB.
No. How come?
So you can't say.
LA LB is both are same. No, na. They have different elements. This is list of list. This is LA and LB1. These are the copy. Means they are duplicates.
Oh, okay, sir.
Chalo.
Yeah, understood, sir.
Chalo. Okay. Next.
Sir.
Yeah.
I have a what if question in this statement.
Sorry.
I have a what if question in this statement. If the statement was at least an element of LB is a copy of LA, then it will be true, sir.
No, not at least.
Not at least.
Because at least means if 45, 3, minus 11 is matching with LB's first element.
If every element of LA, then
Every element. Then
we can't say.
I said at least an element of the statement was at least an element of LB. Sorry, at least an element of LA is matching with at least one element of LB.
There is no at least.
Number of. Then you have to say number of at least one number, two number, three number. Then you have to say like that. Number at least that at least you have to give what? At least what? Number, no? Number of elements.
Okay, let me say at least one element.
Sir, understood. We can move.
Okay, enough discussion in this.
Can move to the next question.
Yeah, sir. Please move ahead.
Chalo. Yeah, this is what last of LV. So where is my thing? So last of LV. Last of LV is what? Can anybody tell me?
List of minus 11.
Yeah, list of minus 11 and so this is false, no, guys?
Yes, of course.
Last of LV is
Yes,
sir, false.
minus 11.
Sir, it is false.
Is it same as LA? LA is what?
Minus 11.
This is
45, 3 minus 11.
okay. So no, so here it should be equal to sign. Understand?
Yes, sir. It is assignment.
Yeah, this is assignment actually. So this is actually false. This is a statement itself is false. It should be the correct statement should be, guys. Yeah. So last of LV should be equal to LA. This is the correct actually statement. So, but you guys understood what I was mean to say with this one. So last of so last of LA. Last of LA is what? Sorry, last of LB is what? This one, no? Is equal to LA. So
45, 3 minus. Sir, last of LB is a list. I mean, is a nested list. Huh?
Last of LB. Sorry, yeah. So last of LB is this one, no?
Yes, sir. So
that
this
is
one is.
No?
So that should put inside a bracket also because here
last is an element.
Okay.
Last
always. Last is an element.
See this one. These things I have taken. So last can give element, integer as well as list. Depends on the how your parent list is how. If it is a list of lists, obviously it will give a list. Understand? But if it's the integers only, the output will be integer. Okay.
Yes. So then last of LB should be, I mean, here in this case, it should be last of NC.
So last of, this is the last of.
Actually, first and last can give both list and integer, and rest and in can't give integer. It will always give list. Am I right? Yes.
Got it, no? So who has having doubt in this? What's your name? Hello?
Are you asking me?
No, so who had doubt in this? The last of LV is minus, why? How it came minus 11? Vikram. Vikram, you raised hand. Please ask. Vikram? No? Okay. Chalo. So this is actually false, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. False.
Chalo. Next we have fifth, last one. So last will be obviously. Chalo. So this is actually next one, last. Each element of LV is a non-empty list. Where is LV? Yeah, LV is this one. So each element is a non-empty list. Is it true or false statement?
Yes, sir.
True.
True.
Everybody agree on this? LV is this one.
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
True, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Next question. Ready?
Yes.
Chalo.
So finally, four answers. First one was false and
Tell
last was a true.
Yeah, Rohit?
First four were false and last was a true.
It's true, yes. How many have got all correct? How many?
I.
Sukanya, okay. Next.
One correct.
Only one correct?
Yes, sir.
Asif, what about others, man? I'm shocked actually. So this is
I got all correct.
you. Who?
I got the 3 correct.
Rajiv. Okay, so
Yes,
how
sir,
many
3
got
correct.
4 correct?
Yes, sir. I got all correct.
Siddharth. What about others?
I got 4 correct.
Sir, you are giving the explanation we got correct, sir.
Hey man, like see, these are warm up question. How many have got 3 correct?
Me, sir.
Yes, sir. Me, sir.
Dave, then? Oh. So I think I need to take more session then. Chalo. Okay, no problem. Chalo. Next question. I give you 3 minutes for this one. Okay, chalo. So this is actual problem now. Try to. So first you read carefully what it is saying, and then this is pseudo code, and based on that you just try to figure out what should be filled here. Okay, chalo. And don't talk in between.
Excuse me, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay,
Done,
wait
sir.
for a couple of
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, and then we'll show the answer. Okay, sure.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll talk after 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So okay, I think the time is up, guys. Do you want more time? It's fine now.
No, sir, it's fine.
Oh, sir.
Okay, everybody's good. And so let me see the responses. B, 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 D, B, D, B. Most of the guys are B. Okay. So I also think B is correct. Yeah.
Sir, here I think this initialization of flag should be inside the while loop. I mean, read the first row X in table 1 and then it should be there.
Sir, I can't understand the function of flag. Can you
Sir, because
explain one time?
because if we found the first failed student, then it will be the value of flag will be true. No?
Yes, yes, yes. You are correct.
Yes. Sir. Otherwise, we can just modify the answer like if flag and extra total is less than average.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Sir, can I speak?
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, D is wrong because we cannot append a value like name to a list. We should append only list to a list. So that's why it is wrong. Am I right?
No, so that is different thing. So what? Vishwajit, no?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So how? Okay, I will explain that one in little later.
So all answers are incorrect as per me, sir.
Sorry?
It should be like if flag is true, then in the brackets it should come like X total should below average T, then increase the first list. It should be like that, sir.
Yeah, flag should be inside a while loop. How many agree on this? Well, first of all, how many got B? Means if that is ignored, so how many have got B?
Sir, me, sir.
I.
Okay. But there is a modification in this code required. Why? Because it's okay. So flags should be inside of this while loop. I mean, you can or you can write below that one also, because at the every new card you have to flag initialize as a false. If this condition is made, then it should come inside, and then further you are supposed to check the average total also with the average T. Then you are going to append the name of this student. Okay, so that's why flag should be false. A flag should be initialized inside the while loop. It can have here also but it should be inside. Okay, but it should be like initially it is here, no? So you should just keep here below of that one or before that this one. Okay, so it should be here. So I tell you where it should be. Okay, so this should be question number 1, and it should be like you have initialize as a F list. F list is an empty list. Then flag initially it is, or flag if it is also initialized as a initially there also, or maybe inside we can at the beginning also. It's not, doesn't matter. So these things should be there, and you are reading the card, or before reading the card you can also make it flag should be false. Okay, and then rest of the things should be same. These things, move X to table 2. Correct, no? That is there, and then this one. Okay, no? So what will happen when, so as you read the first, let us say that you are going through this one, you have F list as an empty list, and just ignore this one. And while you are reading the first card, you have made it this guy as a flag is a false, and then you are reading the first row, and then you are checking this assembly. If this statement is true, means one of the, at least somewhere it is saying no, at least, that's why it is or at least one subject, no? That's why this is or condition. So guys, everybody is understanding what it is saying. All things are correct, only that flag should be initialized inside the while loop. Okay, so this is correct. At least it is saying one subject. That's why these are connected with or operator. Guys,
Yes.
agree, no? Then if it is true, then it will go inside, make it flag as a true, and then another it will be, because it is saying that where is the at least once and his and her total marks are less than the average total. So this should be also there. Only flags should not append the student name in the list F list. Okay. It should have both conditions. Flag is true. It says that at least one subject marks that as he has a scored, he or she has a scored less than 50 marks in at least one subject, and another condition which is made here less than the average total, which is here. So if both conditions are becoming true, then you are going to append the list of going to append the name of the student. Agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
And so that's why, so it should be like, so as you come inside, first one you have made it flag, then if this condition is true, again you will come here and you will do such things, then move that card to the table 2. If you coming for the next card, then again you have to make it flag false. Otherwise, if you do not make it flag false inside, again flag will be true, because in previous things you have made it true and you have counted that one. So you have appended that list here, because flag will be true for the previous iteration, and this will be, if this condition is true, only one condition is true, then still it will append. But that is the not case we wanted. We want both conditions should be satisfied for new card also. That's why every time you have to initialize flag as a false. Okay.
Oh, that's why, sir, we have put it inside the while loop.
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise, flag will always remains true.
No, if first card is true, then it will be true. If any card is becoming for this condition is true, then it will be true or true. Okay.
Yes, sir, throughout true.
Okay. Chalo.
Okay,
Any doubt in this?
No, sir. What is the mechanism of flag? Hello.
Tell me. Yeah.
Sir, what is the mechanism of flag?
No, this is okay. Tell me, what is the flag here? Anybody wanted to tell?
Flag is a variable that stores Boolean value.
Store the string.
Yeah, it's just a Boolean value. We have initialized as a false, means it can only take either false or true. So since this is initialized as false, this is a Boolean data type. That nothing else. I can write A is equal to false also.
Just A or B, any alphabets.
Anything. It's just a variable. Flag is just a variable.
Okay.
Rohit, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now your doubt is clear, guys. Rohit.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay. So should I move to the next question?
Yes.
Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next one is this one, and I give you 3 minutes to do. And please don't talk. So same thing. This is your para. Read carefully what CS stores. This is your pseudo code. You have to fill in this, and this is the fill in the blanks one. Chalo. So don't talk in between. Please read carefully if you are not able to understand and try to solve. This is a very good question actually. Chalo. Screen is visual for you guys, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay. What about now? A screen totally visible? Anything is there on a screen? No, no.
No, sir. Only browser is visible.
Okay, okay. Sure.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so 42 response out of 55. Should I show the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody, all are okay with this? I mean, all
Yes,
have
sir.
tried at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Okay, let me see the responses. C, C, B, A, C, C. Oh, most of the guys have done C. Good. So according to me, I think also C is the correct one. Everybody is okay with this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my question is that how many have not done this one correct? And it's okay, you can tell this. People are not going to.
Miss, I have marked option D.
Okay. And I think that is, if you have done and, that is incorrect actually. Or if A and C is the confusion one, and I don't think so.
Yes, A and C.
I have marked answer.
First,
How many have answered A?
Sir, me.
Sir, I have answered A and C both.
Me also.
This was only say
Sir,
MC.
Single select question
answer
only.
Yeah, Rishabh. So A and A, who have marked A?
Sir, me.
Sir, I have marked.
Please,
Okay, Harsh, then. Okay, only two.
Me.
Okay, B.
me also, sir.
Lalu also. Okay, B. C. Okay, most of the guys have selected C. That I.
Sir, I have doubt in C, in member method, sir. Y minus 1 is adjective. Adjective in a noun set will be not member only, right, sir?
no, by contains sequence.
Okay, I will explain. Don't worry about that. Okay, next D. How many have answered D? Asif, you have answered D, no?
Yes, sir.
Others? Okay, so I have 54.
Sir, I was confused between C and D.
C and D. Okay, but or and operator is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anybody wanted to explain this one?
Yeah, so I didn't
Explain.
literally understand like what to
Just
select for
explain
eclipse.
A and C, sir.
Yes, I can explain
Yes, sir.
this
A and
question.
Sir,
Okay.
A and C both are the correct or only C is correct?
Only C is correct, no?
Sir, why A is not correct?
Yeah, I will tell you why it is not, A is not correct. I tell you. Just give me a second. Okay. Why A is, how many have saying that A is not correct? How many?
I am saying.
I, sir.
Yes, sir.
A is not correct. A is
What is
basically
that?
nouns adjacent to
Sir,
adjective.
actually,
Let me
yes, sir.
otherwise
Yes,
time
sir.
will go. It's already 9 o'clock. Chalo. Yeah, see what is there in question number. Screen is visual, no?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Question
Yes,
2.
sir.
And let me read first what it is saying. So the given pseudocode is executed with the words data set. C stores the number of adjectives. So what it C stores? So C stores number of adjectives which have at least. At least means what?
One.
Minimum
Minimum one.
One noun
one noun.
adjacent to it. ठीक है, चलो. So you have this. You have to find the C. Chalo. What you have done is A, and so you have two things. A is equal to and Nice. So table 1 has more rows. So whenever you will see the parts of speech adjective, you are going to append the sequence number in A, and A means adjective, and just a simple we have created to make it simple. And for the noun, we append in N. Okay. And also it is saying that chalo, nothing, we are saying nothing. So we have just two statements, and then we are supposed to find the correct code for finding the value of C. Okay. Chalo, what just I am going to take one example. Okay. So first I'm going to write like this. So noun, it is starting with noun, adjective, verb. Did you understand what I'm writing here, guys? Noun,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The part
adjective, verb. It is like some sentence you are having, which parts of speech are like this. Okay. Noun, adjective, verb, noun, adjective, noun, then again adjective, like this. Understand?
Yes.
Now you have noun, adjective, verb, noun, adjective, noun, adjective. So can you tell me what will be the value of C here? So according to this number of adjective, which what I have written, which have no ulta I have written, which have at least one noun adjacent to it, at least one. Okay, let me verb.
Three, sir. Three.
Three.
And pronoun. Okay, so now tell me.
Three, sir.
So this so you have to count the adjectives, and what are the condition if they are having at least one noun adjacent to it. Agree? So this will be counted or not?
Yes,
You have to understand this one. So that's why I'm doing this guy. So this is there. Okay, just let me. So this will be counted or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
it will be counted.
Adjective.
Counted.
Will be counted or not?
Yes, sir. It will be counted.
Counted.
So
This will be
Counted, sir.
counted.
this will be
No, sir.
Will
Not
not
counted.
counted.
No.
So what is the value of C you are having?
Three.
Agree everyone? This is the actually, and how code it will work I will tell you. Chalo. This is the way. ठीक है?
Yes.
Chalo. Now we have what is there. So how you are going to actually store. So A will be what? Can you tell me what will the? So it start with the 0. So this sequence number I'm writing. Okay. So these are the sequence number of that word. 1. ठीक है? 2.
Yes, sir.
Huh. So like that, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9. Okay. Huh, tell me, what is your doubt? Tell me fast. Guys, are you able to understand what I'm writing here?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Otherwise, it will be problem if you do not tell right now. What am I writing here?
Yes, sir. You are writing
Sequence
the
number.
sequence number.
Sequence number.
Sequence number of the cards.
The value of A here.
0,
1,
4, 6.
3.
1, 4, 6.
1, 4, 6.
I'm asking one by one. N will be A will be what?
1,
sir,
4,
1, 4, 6, 8.
Adjectives, right?
1,
4,
4,
6.
6, and then 8.
Not 8.
8 will
Not
be
8.
not there.
8 is not.
6 will be not there.
6.
Yes, sir. 6,
8.
and then 8.
Agree, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And the N will
Yes,
be
sir.
0,
3,
5.
0, 3, 5.
That's it.
That's all.
That's it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody having doubt in this? Please let me know.
No, sir.
Huh.
No, sir.
Everybody agree on this?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
All 53 joinees.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sudhakar Verma. Sudhakar. Are you okay with these two? What I have written here, Sudhakar Verma. Sudhakar. Okay, he doesn't want to talk. Nice. Tanu Tiwari. Okay, so they do not want to talk. Nice. Sudhakar and Tanu. Is it okay till now? No? Yes, no, tell me no. Chalo. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are so this once we run this whole while loop, we got this one. Okay, A and in as a list. Okay, everybody agree on this? Now
Yes,
we
sir.
come. Okay, now we come here. Let us check for the first one. So for each y in n, chalo, try with this one. For each y in n. So what will be the value of y when we go for first time? 0. And if we are checking, if member
of
I will do for this one member A is what? I don't, this is there, comma, y is what? 0
minus
minus
1.
1. So that will be minus 1, no? So
Right.
Final value. And sorry, or no?
Or yes, sir. Or.
Member A comma y plus 1. What is the value of y we have? 0 plus 1 is?
0 plus 1. Yes.
Now tell me what it will be, true or false?
True,
So
sir.
overall let me write. So
true, sir.
A is member 1 minus 1 is member of A.
Yes.
No, sir. Second or condition is true.
Our condition.
Yes, sir. This is true.
And A is 1 is member of A.
Yes.
Yes, sir. True.
Yes, sir.
What it will be overall?
True, sir.
Everybody is with me?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's go inside and C will make it 1 from 0 to 1. No, C we have initialized C or not? Again, we have not initialized. Oh my God, so many errors. Okay, so C should be initialized as what?
0.
Nice.
0.
Yeah.
0.
C should be at where we have initialized. C should be initialized as a 0. Okay.
0.
These errors you guys have to find. Okay. Chalo. Okay, so this is counting. So this is okay. When we have next y is equal to what? 3? 3, no? And so 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So 2 is a member of A?
No.
No, sir.
Then 2 plus
4.
1. 2 plus 1 is member of?
4 is
Four.
member of A. True,
4
sir.
is a member of A.
No, so actually, sorry. Any, and let me write actually, then you will understand. So y, next y will have what? 3?
3.
3, na? So again we'll check. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So A is member of 2?
No.
No.
A is member of 4? No,
Yes.
4 is member of
Yes.
A.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again,
True.
you are going to count C is equal to 2.
True.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But it holds only the noun count, like number of nouns.
That is what I am saying. At least one noun. So it should be any one of the condition is true. That's why at least is there. So if it is left side or right side, I will count. If both sides is also there, I'm okay with that. So that's why OR operator is there. I will tell you why A is incorrect and C is correct. I will tell you in couple of minutes. Okay. First, you understand what is there. I will change the data and then I will tell you what is the wrong in that. Okay. How many have figured out why A is incorrect? I will just think and maybe I can ask from you guys. But for this, yeah. So y is equal to next y will be what? 5. Agree, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And C will be what? So chalo, for 5 we check. A 5 minus 4.
C will be 3.
Yes.
4.
Yes.
4 is member of
A.
No, will not check further. I'm happy with the at least one noun.
True.
Okay. So this is 3. Now we do not have so this is also giving correct answer. Let me check with this one also. Can we check this one also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. What we are going to do? This guy have y in A. Okay. So option, this is option A is looks correct also, but so obviously and operator is incorrect. Now everybody is agree with me.
Yes.
Yes,
Only you guys
Yes,
have confusion in A and C.
A and C.
ठीक है ना? चलो. We will C will give correct or not. So why?
Sir, I think A should be wrong because their adjective is ours. Means we are depending on.
Yeah, Rohit, I know. But just you think. Let me check with the C actually. ठीक है? Understand what I'm saying here? Just give me a second. Chalo. So why is when we are going for this guy C, option C. This is for the option C. Option C, it is correct or not? So when we are going, y is called y in A. What is the value of y first time? It is in A. 1. Then member of
0.
1 minus 1 is what? 0.
0.
0.
True?
True.
C will be 1.
Yes, sir. C is equal to 1.
Then when y is equal to, next y will have what?
4.
4.
4. And for that C will be
3.
1.
again
2.
we'll check. So 4 minus 1 is what? 3. 3 is member
So
of
it is true.
Yes.
true.
Yes.
So
Yes,
again
sir.
C will be 2.
C
Now
will be
again,
2.
y will be what?
6.
Next value is what? 6,
6.
no?
6, sir. 6.
And what is the value of C will have? We'll check.
5.
It will be 6 minus 1, 5. It is in
5
N.
is member
So
of
Yes.
N. It's true, no?
Yes,
We'll
sir.
check further also. So actually this
Then
is
C will be 3.
C will be 3. Now next y will be what? 8.
8 minus 1,
8
7.
minus 1 is what?
7.
7.
7 is
It is
member.
not a member of
No.
false.
Oh.
No, no.
No.
Yes, sir.
This one. 8 is member of
8
N.
plus 1, 9.
Sorry,
9. No.
member of N.
9. No.
False, no?
Sir.
So both are false.
Sir.
Obviously will not. So this one also giving C is equal to 3. Then what is the wrong in that option number A?
Because option number A holds only the number of nouns, not the adjective.
No, sir. Option A is just checking the opposite of what the question is asking.
Sir,
Yeah.
option A just checks the
Vowels.
words. Yeah, just the letters, not the specifically the adjectives there.
Okay, so just minutes. I give you the different example where this is wrong actually. So it is saying that we have to count C stores the number of adjectives which have at least one noun adjacent to it, and it is checking in A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to check another. What is it? We have? I just give then what is that? It was a simple one. No, not right. So this is adjective. Okay. So adjective, noun, adjective. This will work for this one. So this will check now. So this is actually first is adjective, then noun, then again adjective. Okay. So this will be actually 0. Okay. And this will be again 1, and this will be 2. Guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Then here.
Oh, now what will be the value of C here? Tell me what should be the value of answer C?
Sir, according to which option?
It should be 2 or 1. Tell me.
Yes, sir. It will be 2.
According to C, it would be 1, but according to A,
So
it would be 2.
no. According to the question, I'm asking. So C stores the number of adjectives which have at least one noun adjacent to it. So this is adjective, one noun is adjacent, and
Then
this is
2.
another adjective, one noun is adjacent. So what will be the value here? C is equal to.
C is equal to
It
2.
will be
Sir.
2.
Everybody agree on
C is
this?
equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
Now check with A. So first of all, for that we have to find the value of A. No, A will be what? What it will be? A will be what? 0.
0.
2.
And N will be
1.
1.
Now check for each y in n. What is the value of y will have?
1.
One.
Now member of a comma y minus n. A is what? This guy, and y is what? 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So this is true, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will go inside. We will not check further.
Fourth option.
Yes.
C will be 1. Okay. Now for each y in n, do we have next number?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
For that, this will give only 1, and whereas this will go for another next one. Next, so A will be, so now this is for according to A, no? Option A according, and this is
Yes.
according to option C. Now we check for each y in A. So what is the value of y we will have here?
0.
0. Now we'll check. N comma 0 minus 1. Minus 1 is a false.
Yes, sir. False.
0 plus 1 will be
1.
1.
is true or false?
True, sir.
Guys, people are listening, or I think it's boring for you guys.
True, sir.
No, sir. We are listening.
I think too much explanation also sometimes just demean the interest, I think. No? Chalo.
No, sir. True.
How many questions are there?
Questions are there, 2 or 3 more, but it's good one. Chalo. So this will be what? C will be?
C will be now 1.
1, no?
Again, y is equal to 2.
It is true, no? Because n is this 0. So n comma 1 is
0
what?
plus 1, 1.
1.
Oh, we have y. Next y will have what? Tell me. 2?
2 minus 1, 1.
And
2.
Again, check.
C is equal to 2.
2 minus 1 is what? Sorry, 2 minus 1 is what? 1.
1.
1 is what?
1 is member of n.
Member of n comma 1 will true or false? True?
True.
True, sir.
We'll not check further. We'll go inside. This will give the true. Understood. What is the wrong in option number A?
Yes, sir.
So this is the ulta. What I think Rohit said, no?
No, sir. Me, Rajiv said.
Sorry, Rajiv. Yeah. So this option is checking number of nouns which have at least one adjective adjacent to it. No? Yeah. Everybody agree on this? And I have given the example. What is the difference between that A and C? Just try to do by yourself. Also, you will understand a little more. So this is the option. Okay, chalo. You guys are writing, or you want this sheet after that session? No, na?
No, sir. We want. We want also, sir.
Next question. Read this. We'll go to the question part. Read this. 2 minutes for reading. And by the time I just go bring and water. Yeah. Next. Yeah. So based on that, you have to choose the option. Okay.
So just 2 more minutes, please.
So you wanna see first part of this page? I mean, this question. I mean, the question is statement you want to see. Hello, guys.
I have written down.
Okay. So the same pseudocode I have written here, but only the statement flow is not here.
Sir, can you go back one more time?
Yeah,
I'll
yes.
take a picture of that.
15 seconds, I will go back.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Yes. Yeah, I will go to the option page also just after 10 to 15 seconds.
Sir, one question.
Yes.
Do I need to see the data to check the gender? Which gender has got the highest marks, highest total marks? Yeah. Or just I should go for a generalization?
No, so all things are there. How D's the overall list is being created.
Yeah, sir, I understand. I understood everything, but gender is not specific, so I am just asking for whether there is any need to go for the data set.
Gender is from like you are talking about only male and female, no? From the scores data set.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just refer as from the scores data set how it will look like. Okay. So should I show the option now, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Option, please.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Only 49 joinees. Why?
So we have to check the data set now.
I don't think so.
Then how can we say then that topper is a girl?
Yes, sir.
or
Data
boy?
is not required here.
Answer is
Yes,
yes.
sir.
See,
Data is
I
not
just
required.
assure you that data is not required. You can get the correct answer based on that just assumption or something. What
Yeah.
see, all things are mentioned here.
You can take both cases. In first
Okay,
case.
please don't talk. Let give make it like some time to others to respond, and then we'll talk. Okay, sure. Something, no, like then we'll discuss. Anyway, this is problem number 3 only. Okay, I have to move it fast. Okay, next question on less explanation. I think I'm spending too much time on explaining, no, guys. I should be
No,
not.
sir. No, sir. That's not the case.
Sorry.
That's not the case, sir.
Not getting what you're saying.
I mean to say that that's not the case. You are not explaining too much.
Oh, but I feel that it take too much time. Like I don't know. What about others?
But for that reason only, we are getting that much clarity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why we are getting clarity.
Okay. Only 3 people. I think others think that I'm explaining too much.
No, sir. Actually, it's good for understanding the concepts and all.
Sir, it will help in future, Python programming. So it will.
So only way, sir.
Sir, understanding the problem is the best way than solving more questions.
Yeah, that is my actually goal. Even though if I'm not able to explain or give you the all questions, but if I'm explaining 1 or 2 or at least 3 questions also, but all of the who are the present here should be able to answer if this question or this type of concept is coming in qualifier or the any end same or the quizzes. Okay.
So the last solve with that system is the question we get.
Sir, what is it
we
you're
got from
asking?
there. It is
Just
very
for a second,
good.
can you move behind?
Okay. Yeah. So that might have cleared all like some concepts. No, I mean this.
Yes,
okay. So time is up. No, guys. I think 35. Please enter your responses. I give you another 15 seconds, and then I will try to show the. Okay. Chalo.
Show answer.
Okay. Chalo. Yeah. So still 39. Okay. Chalo. Time is up. Most of the guys are A, B, C, D. Also, I can see D. Okay. What do you think now? What should be the now? Just I give 5 seconds and.
A, sir. A, sir.
A, sir. A, sir. A.
हो गया 5 seconds.
Yes.
Sir.
How many have got? How many have not got this?
Yes, sir.
Still,
A.
okay, just a minute. I have 2 questions. How many have not understood this problem?
I.
Sukanya, then
Me, sir.
Sarita,
sir. I also not understood.
Harsha Gupta,
Yes, sir.
Me as well.
Anshu. Okay. Next, all 5, 6 people only.
Sir,
I didn't understand.
You
also not understand.
I got this, sir.
Me also, sir.
Chalo. First of all, then I had to explain the question. Then no, see how my time goes. No.
Sir, I have one doubt from the options.
Okay. I will clear.
How many questions
Explain the
remain
overall
for
part.
today?
So first, let me explain the question, and then I will come to the option. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so the question was this: the given pseudocode is executed using the scores dataset. Let overall be a list sorted in descending order of a student's total marks. So it is as according to the student's total marks. So the first will be which one? Highest or
Highest
lowest?
mark.
Highest mark.
Highest mark, sir.
And each element of overall is a list represented as this sequence number and gender. Okay. Assume that the total marks of every student is different. So just can I create one dummy here? Dummy in the sense just to understand. So everybody got it what actually that overall list.
Why I couldn't understand the second one, like each element of overall that part.
Yeah, just I write then. Just give me a second. Overall is a list. So what it is saying, each element of overall is a list represented as a this one. So each element, so each sequence number, some sequence number. Tell me the, like, who is topper.
But already in the first part they have said like overall is a list of sorted descending order of students.
Descending student. So that is not saying that element, not talking about this element is actually based on the sorted marks of a student total marks in descending order. And then after it is explained that each element of overall. Now it is talking about the element of overall is a list represented as sequence number and gender. So let us say some random sequence number. Tell me 0 to 20.
3, M. Yeah.
Sorry? No, don't say 0. So
sir, might be 300.
Sorry?
I mean, sir, might be 300 the topper guy.
Correct. Tell according data set now.
17.
Just make it 2 digits. Sequence number.
Sequence number. How could you?
27.
25 and that should be female. Okay?
Yeah.
Then next, tell me something. Then next
12
topic is also
12 male.
Chalo, next is also female. And this is based on, so I will tell you what it is actually meaning. And then you will little understand more. Then tell me something 9. Let us say now male came. Now it will be like this. And the last element, let us say something, what is that? Make it this will be male. So see what it is saying here. Now read and so this is the topper sequence number and her gender. Okay. Next second highest according to the what total marks. Okay. The third one, and this is the last one. This is the 29th student. This one, no.
Sir,
Now,
it is in descending order, right?
Is it in descending order, sir?
Yeah,
you can't put one F.
And the number is actually 20. The sequence number is 7, but this is the 29th position of this overall list.
Sir.
Am I saying correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Total marks is in descending order.
Okay. And also it is said that none of a student have same marks. I mean, all are having different. Okay. So all are distinguished. So what again? Chalo read. Let us overall be a list sorted in descending order of a student's total marks. Each element of overall is a list. Can you see this? Represented as sequence number and gender.
Got it.
Anybody is having doubt in this?
No.
Everybody is okay with this example of overall list?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But it's supposed to be in descending order.
Sorry, yeah, Yasha. What's your name?
Yasha.
Yasha. Tell me, what's your doubt?
I'm saying the list is supposed to be in descending order, right?
Descending order according to the total, meaning the student sequence number. So this is actually sequence number, not the total. So this guy will, so this one have, let us say this one might have, let us say out of 300, let us say 290 is the highest, 295.
For the highest marks.
Then the next one. So this sequence.
5.
So this
75.
Sequence 25. Have 295. Chalo. The next
275.
80 or something, and then this is what
30.
and we'll have something 275 or something like that. It is there. Understand? So what I'm trying to get, this is the sequence number.
I can't hear you properly.
Use push to talk, please.
So some background noise is coming.
Fahad, please mute you.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
My mouse was there on the microphone.
Okay, please mute. Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Actually, this is according to the descending order based on what? A student total marks. So this is 25 got, let us say 295. So this is the highest. And then next one has 280 total marks. 275, so it will be like decreasing order. And the actually it will represent like this. Means those who have got 295, her sequence number and gender will be written like that. It is a list we have created. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, did you get?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Are you sure? Means did you get or not?
Yes, sir. I got it. Those are the sequence numbers, right?
Yes. These are the sequence number of, that is a sequence number. It is written, no, not the total marks. Okay. Chalo. So then at the end of execution of code below, D stores 2 sequence number. Choose the correct option regarding to element of D. So chalo, we'll see in the next one. Where is that? This is the code we have. Okay. And what it is saying, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Now what it is saying that, tell me what. Okay, now I will just talk to random person and I want to know what will be the, don't tell anyone what is the value of D here, and let me know I will just call randomly. Devi Priya, what will be the value of D here? Can you tell me? Just try, it's fine. I mean, if you make wrong also it's okay. What will be the value of D here? Devi Priya, are you able to hear me? Okay, she doesn't want to speak. Jayant, what will be the value of D? Jayant, are you
4% already left.
Oh, this is the case. Archit, what will be the value of D?
So D would be a list with 25 as the element.
Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next we
Yes,
have
sir.
Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh, are you
Yes,
able to hear me? What will be the value of A? Can you tell me?
Sir, here D is a list.
Sorry?
D is a list, sir. D is a list of having element 25.
D is a list, sir.
D will be a list.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir. D is a list.
Yes, nice. Yeah, okay. Yeah, what will be the value of A?
It will be F, sir.
Female F.
F.
Because see, first of overall. So first of overall will
It
be
will
this
be
guy.
25, F.
And then last of F will be what? F.
F.
So this all will be actually in like this. Okay? So this all will be like this. In single inverted comma. Okay? So just do that everywhere. Chalo. Now we are going, and for each B in rest of overall. So rest of overall will be what? It is just starting with the rest of overall.
1, F. 9, M, etc. 7, M.
Rest of overall will be this guy, no? Yes.
Except 25,
Right.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, guys? If any doubt, just let me know. Everybody is with me?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Are you getting now what I'm doing here? So it should be in
Yes,
inverted comma. Why I'm putting here 3? No, it should be only 1. No, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo. Now we are for each B. So what will be the value of B when you go first time?
1, F.
It would be the first element of rest of
First
overall.
element of overall. Rest of overall.
Am I
1,
writing?
F.
Correct? Am I writing correct here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any
No,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
Guys, I have 49 students here. If I ask again, people will leave. Huh? Okay. Chalo. If last of B, so last of B is not equal to, I'm writing here like this, not equal to, what is that? Not equal to A. What is the value of A we have?
F. Last of B is F.
What is the value of last B? Last of B will be what?
F.
F. F.
False.
So it is false.
False.
How many are saying this is false?
Me, sir.
Me.
Me, sir.
Me, sir.
Yes.
Chalo. So this will be false, and so we need not to go inside.
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
We go to the next element.
Okay. Next element we are going, and what will be the value of B? Will
9,
have?
comma M.
9, comma M.
9, comma.
Agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
Again, we'll check this guy. Oh. Control V, and last of V. This is
M.
M.
M. It would be true.
M is
It will be
not
true,
equal
sir.
to F. M is not equal. It will become true.
It would be true.
how many are saying this one?
Sir,
Yes,
me.
sir,
Me,
true.
sir,
It will be
true.
true, sir.
True,
You
sir.
go
True, sir.
inside. D is equal to D plus.
Pavan, guys, hey guys, I'm talking to Pavan only. Pavan, oh, he left.
Yes, sir.
Pavan Solanki.
Yes, sir.
It's true, no? Means for this condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we'll do next? Can you tell me, please?
Sir, we
Right? Is it? We'll go inside or not?
yes, sir.
Pavan.
We
And
go inside.
tell me the value of this guy. First of B, we have to write first of, what is that? B.
E.
And can you tell me what will be the value of, so D is what? We have D. We have defined somewhere. No, we have found the value of, sorry. And this will be plus plus. Can you tell me what is the value of here? First of B.
9.
9.
So this will be
25,9.
25,9. Now exit loop. So where will go now?
Exit the loop, sir.
Out
The
of
program will be ended.
Okay, well, I am just talking to Pavan. Please mute others. Pavan? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is, we have reached to exit loop. So where will go now?
Sir, we never go. Sir, we
Will, are we going to read further element? B? In,
no, sir.
okay. So it will come, it will come here. No, I miss, flow of code will come here at this point. I mean, after that, we do not have expression, means it will just stop the execution of this pseudocode.
Yes,
So
sir.
one time I want to repeat what I have said. So exit loop, what it does is just look at for the parent loop. So see, this is not a loop. This is one-time execution. So where is the loop? So first loop is there. So this is the loop, and where is the closing bracket of this one? So if you put a straight line, this is a closing. So it will come here. If further things are there, means further expressions are there, we'll do that. But after that, we do not have. So we'll end it with this one only. So D will be like this, and so see, D had further elements, but we didn't read because of this exit loop. No. So can you tell me now what is that 25 and 9 is representing? One element correspond to
Topper among boys and topper among girls.
so I also okay. Where is my things? Yeah. So this element we have how to keep okay. I can make it small. Is it good? Is it? Yeah. Now it is clear, no? Is it visual for me, you guys? Oh, it's hard to do that. Chalo. So one element correspond to topper among boys and other elements correspond to topper among girls. What do you think? 25 and 9. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
we consider
But sir, B
five
can also be true.
Okay. Okay. So first, okay, I just asked this one. This is true or not?
True, sir.
Yes, sir.
True,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And now tell me what is the doubt in this?
Sir, order.
Okay, okay, now, okay, just tell me. Now, the first element correspond to the topper among girls and second element correspond to topper among boys. Here it is, since we have taken data like this, that's why it is, this option is also correct. What if the first one is the male, topper is male? Do you think this will be correct option? Now I'm telling that data can be like this.
Then the C option will be correct now. So it depends on data.
Now I'm telling that we have this 5, then 2. Let us say something we are changing here, and this is 17. Now tell me what it will be. The first element correspond to top. So first option still it is correct. Can you check? One element correspond to the. So what will be topper here? So what? Tell me for here. D will be what here? D will
5,2.
Everybody is agree on this? 5,2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first option is still correct. One element correspond to the topper among boys. One element, and another element correspond to the topper among girls. It is saying that the first or last. It is saying one element of D. And we have defined that D will have only 2 elements. True or not?
Yes, sir.
Definitely true.
Where is
Yes,
that?
sir.
Store the 2 sequence number. Yeah, chalo. We are safer side. We have defined all the things. Now, the first element of correspond to the topper among girls. What do you think? This is 5 is topper of from which category? Which gender category? Male?
Males.
It is false or true? So this is not true.
False.
The first element correspond to topper among boys, and second element is topper among girls. But for this case, when I have considered D got this one, and this is the for the girl, not for the boy. This is incorrect. See.
Yes, sir.
The student correspond to the
So
highest.
the last one.
Yeah, a student correspond to the highest and second highest total marks obtained by a student of same gender. But
False, sir.
the first is this one. Okay. So for second highest 9 did got second highest or not? Can you see this? This is the
It is third highest.
third highest. Okay. Even though here is just 5 and 2 are the first, highest and second highest, but both are not of same gender.
Right.
Every doubt, every option is clear now.
Yes, sir.
5 and 2 are marks or sequence number?
Sorry?
5,2 is a marks or a sequence number?
Sequence number. They are
Sequence number of the
Yeah,
highest.
so then option D is
Highest and second
wrong
highest.
because of same gender and also highest total marks.
The elements it is correspond to. So that is incorrect, no?
Let's say suppose we change the option D and say students with different gender, then D will be right.
No, it would be wrong.
But for
yes,
the it will be
it
false.
can be right.
If you take this one, then this will be false, no? It will be not second and first and highest and second highest. Now for here, it 9 is for the second highest. Sorry, third highest. No?
No, sir. Actually, I think he's asking that if the option is like this, the element corresponds to the highest highest marks among the boys and the highest marks among the girls. Then the option would be correct or not?
Yeah, so that is what topper means. What that is the same thing you are saying. Na? Highest from the boy and highest from the girl.
Yes.
One element correspond to the elements correspond to the highest. If it is topper is same thing. Na? Highest marks in boys category and highest from the girl category. No, that is what you asked, or some different thing.
No, sir. I got my.
No,
point.
sir. He was asking that the same gender might be changed as different gender.
So that is why this can be correct for some case, but this is not correct for all case. That is what for both case I have, for which case this is true, for which case this is not true. I have shown the both cases here. No. So what is wrong in this? Tell me. Hello.
Got it. Got it.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Okay, then what is there? Next question. Everybody is clear on this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question.
If these questions, these type of question will come, obviously this will not come. But the concepts, whatever I have used here, it will be not forgettable, no, from here itself.
Yes, sir.
Chalo then. Next question. Just see this, and I will move to the option part. So this is based on the words data, words words data set and assume that words are arranged in increasing order of sequence of number, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like as like a paragraph. It was Monday morning. Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes. No, that's all. Pseudocode will be visible in next page also. So, chalo. So this is the question number 4, and try to answer this one. Chalo. Make it fast. Make it fast.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for others to answer. I can see only 15 responses till now.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so should I show the answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let me see the option C. Okay, B. I can also see B. So according to me, what is the answer? C. Yeah, minimum number of nouns in a sentence across all sentences. How many have not answered this one? And how many have not understood this problem?
I answered B.
Okay. Others?
I got
Understood.
the answer correct, but
Still doing, sir.
Understood, sir.
but I didn't understand the last two statements of S list is equal to S list plus W list and W list is equal to blank.
Okay. So that for that question will come in next. But this is how many have got? You have got this C for this one?
Yes, sir, that I've got it.
Okay.
but I wasn't able to understand the significance, like what this.
I will tell in next one. Just give me a couple of minutes. Okay. Okay. What about others, guys?
Correct.
Done,
sir.
sir.
No issues.
Done, sir.
Yes.
No issues.
How many are from Kerala? Para. I mean, para is the word, no? Nobody is from Kerala?
No, sir. I am from West Bengal.
What about others? Nobody is from Kerala. Tamil Nadu? So all are like Karnataka?
Maharashtra.
Delhi, sir.
Delhi, sir.
Oh.
Delhi, sir.
Andhra Pradesh? Nobody is here?
Yes, sir. Hyderabad.
Oh, Hyderabad. Okay. Telangana.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Andhra Pradesh.
Most are from like Delhi. I mean Delhi, UP.
Yes, sir. Delhi.
North India, sir.
MP.
Indian, sir.
Okay, chalo. Yeah, so just I will explain in this one, but also solve this part. So length of S list, what it will represent, then I will answer. Okay, sure. So I give you 2 minutes for this one, since you already gone through that one, then it won't take much time to get the answer for this one. So after that, I will have only one question remaining, and then you guys can leave. Maybe I will finish by 10:30. Will it okay for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, then
Yes, sir. No problem.
I have some doubts from
You can
practice.
extend it to 11 also. It is okay.
Like,
Okay. So first, I'm going to say for Solve with Instructor session, I want to close by 10:30. Then after, I will take this.
So the next on
so
demand
sir, in the
session
next
will be
session,
taken by you or
Sorry?
Rahul, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, are you going to take the next on demand session?
On demand session.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow there will be on demand session, and maybe that will be in Hindi. I think that two of TAs who is helping us to the, so that will be in Hindi, I think, and we will be there. Don't worry about that. We will be there, but they will take us.
sir, like next session, can I ask doubts from week 6?
Yes, yes. Why not?
Because I cannot stay after 10:30.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, sure. Yeah, so should I show the option? I think only 20 responses I can see here.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, please 10 seconds for entering your responses. Please do it first, and then I will show the answer, and then I will explain. Fast, guys. It's already 10. People might have not have dinner. I think no. People are waiting for or dinner is done for you guys.
Yes, sir. Sir, still
Done,
how
done.
many questions left, sir?
No, sir.
After that, one more question. That's all. So
Sir, we are waiting for taking doubts also.
30. Chalo. So I'm going to show the. Before that, I want to see the responses. Okay. Mixed response. Oh. So for that, this is B. Total number of sentences in words data set. Okay. So what it is happening?
Problem 5 is
Sorry.
problem 4.
What is there? I mean, how many have got this one correct?
I got it.
I
got it correct. Got it, sir.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Okay, chalo. So will how many have doubt actually? And question number 4. If I explain question 4, then automatically you guys will know what will be the question number 5 answer. Chalo. So what I'm doing, so this is based on the words data set, and we have initialized B with 10,000. We have initialized 2 empty lists, S list and W list. We are going through this one. Table 1 has more card. Then W list will be W list plus X dot parts of a speech. Correct? If that words is not, means the first word, it was Monday morning, so that first word is it, because we have arranged according to the increasing order of sequence number. So the first word is having 0, then 1, 2 like this. So that's why I'm telling it. The first word will be like it in W list, because since we have initialized as an empty list, so the W list will be first we are going, then it will be it. Obviously that word is not ending with a full stop. We are not going to do anything here. Next. So once we reach to the word ending with a full stop, what is that? It was Monday morning. So Monday morning, no, morning is the word which ends with a full stop. Till now we have W list. How many elements? 4 elements. It was Monday morning, guys. As we reach to the morning, obviously that word ends with a full stop. We'll go inside, guys. So how many are able to understand now if I'm talking this like this, or should I write?
No,
Understandable, sir.
Because this is a repetition. I have explained so many times in this. No? So as we go here, A is equal to do something W list. So you have some procedure called do something, and in which you are sending a list, which is the current words of a sentence. Am I correct? Current means whatever the first sentence we are reading, no, till now, and that is W list contains all the words. Correct, guys?
All the part of the speech, right?
Parts of
Yes.
speech. Correct. Yeah, parts of speech. Yeah. So parts of we are appended all the parts of speech. Yeah, correct. And in W list, then we are calling this do something. So we should look at where. We should not look at it. We should directly go to the procedure, do something. And whatever the value we had in W list will be copied to L. So L will be W list. Now we have count is equal to 0 for each P in L. So the first P will be what? It. Sorry, not it. It is what? Pronoun, no?
Pronoun.
So obviously it is not a pronoun. Sorry, it is equal to noun. Is it true or false?
False.
False. It will not go inside. So it will read all the elements of list L, and count will be incremented when we will get the parts of speech noun. So what do you think count will return? So obviously it will return count. So what count is actually counting?
Number of nouns.
Yeah, number of nouns.
In
and
one
that
sentence.
will be stored to A. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? So A will store number of nouns present in the first sentence. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now coming here, A is, let us say first we'll have, it was Monday morning. So two nouns are there, no? 2 is less than 10,000. Am I correct? So this is true or false statement?
It's true.
True, sir.
Will it go inside and we will be what? 2? Okay, guys.
Yeah.
And S list will be S list plus. W list was already a list. You made it another one. So what S list will represent? How many elements will have now S list once you append? Only one element? It will be a list of list with one element currently. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Right.
What will W list be? Will contain now?
Yeah, just let me write here. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Question 4, no? Yeah. So where I was, okay, A was, okay. So first of all, let me write the W list. First was what? Okay.
It. Pronoun.
Pronoun. I just write pro. Then next one is what?
Verb.
Verb.
An article.
The next was, it was Monday. Monday is a noun, no?
Noun.
Noun. And then again we have morning. Noun. Okay. How many are agree with this? Obviously this everybody. Chalo. Pronoun, let me write if I write. Correct. Now we came and we said A will be, so what is the value of A will have here for this one? 2. Agree?
Yeah.
It will go here. This is true and we will make it, B will be 2. Everybody is okay with this?
Yeah.
Now
Yes,
we'll come out here and A's list. A's list will be, this is empty, sorry. What is that? W list. W. This will be what?
The whole list. List of whole list.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how it will look like?
List.
What do you think? And then we have made it, sorry. Then what we have done? We have made it W list as a empty list. How many have doubt till here? Guys, tell me. Tell me, guys.
W list will only contain noun because the noun is only answer.
Sorry?
W list should only contain noun.
W list only contains noun. Do you think this is appended all parts of speech? W list. Are we checking any condition? Are we filtering to append W list? No, na? Hello?
No, sir.
Rohit, so it will append all the parts of speech of that particular sentence.
Okay.
Rohit, are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. So till now, any problem? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No.
Please.
No doubt, sir.
Chalo then. Now we came here. We will go for the next. Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes. That will be appended to this W list. What we have done, we made it empty in previous. Then it will only store Swaminathan, the parts of speech of that sentence. Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes. Am I correct?
Yes.
When
Yes,
it
sir.
will come to the last eyes, again print this guy, and then it will check if it is. So let us say for next sentence, obviously how many nouns will be there? I don't know. I have to check if this condition is satisfied. Means A is less than B, meaning initially we have B is 2. If less than sorry, B is 2. No, so yeah, B is 2 and A is what? Return value for the second second sentence, and that will have, let us say 4. Let us say in second you have 4 a noun. No.
Yes, sir.
Guys, or 3, whatever means, I don't know, miss, it's just an assumption, or it can 2 or it can 1 also. I don't care. Miss, what do you think I should write here? Tell me first.
4, sir.
Chalo, 4.
Whatever, right.
Okay. Okay. So A is less than B. What is the value of A? 4. 4 is less than 2.
No, sir.
No. False.
It will not go inside.
No.
Not, yeah.
S list will be what?
S
The
list plus W list.
Control C. This guy is going to be S list plus
next one.
W list. And W list is the second one, no? Like that. What is that? Swaminathan. So noun is there like that, no?
Yes.
Like that it will be. Agree, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys, because W list already a list. Then it will be like this. Okay, I should write actually. Control C, Control V. This is. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we how many sentence? We read 2, and how many number of elements we will have? We have S list.
2 elements. 2.
Are you with me or not?
Yes, sir. We are with you.
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you
S.
think B will represent? The first question was B.
Sir,
Minimum
B will-
number.
Sir, yes.
Minimum number of what?
Nouns.
Nouns
Nouns.
In a sentence across all sentences, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Across all sentences.
And what about this one? Total number of sentences in word list. That length of S list. Can you see this S list? We read 2 sentences and all are one sentence part of speech, second sentence part of speech. That is representing one element of S list, no?
Can you show the option again?
Which option you want to see?
The last one.
Total number of words with different parts of speech in word status. So it is incorrect, no?
Why? Like.
What do you think? The length of S list is will give what? Number of
S
sentences,
list,
not
S list
number of
will
words.
update regardless
It
of
is
any
saying
condition.
number of words. Are we counting number of words with length? No, na. It is because one element is representing one sentence of S list of a words data set. No, can you see this?
Sir, is S list giving list of lists? That is why we are saying it is
Yes,
uh,
yes.
total numbers. Okay.
Yes. If this will be D will be correct when if S list was appended like this. S list will be S list plus W list. Then what do you think it will be? Total number of words in that words data set. Guys, for option number D. No, so this is what a different part of speech. This is
Different,
another,
sir.
but
This
A
is
will be the answer.
Number A.
A
sir.
will be the answer, sir.
A will be the answer, no? Yeah. ठीक है?
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है सर, ठीक है.
Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Agree.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So next problem, and then we'll close the session. Chalo. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you that how many have watched lectures and week 7 content?
I have watched
Okay, so what do you think this is representing?
dictionary.
Okay, so dictionary everybody knows little bit. Just
It's
just
empty dictionary.
create an empty list, no? So that is empty dictionary. Okay, but you can understand that what is it is wrong or correct. You have to find the error in this code, and what it is just check. Chalo, first I give it 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Chalo, I have 38 now, 36 only. Do it fast. People get bored, I think.
Sir. Sir.
Tell me.
I have a question to ask.
Yeah, please. After 1 minute, can we?
What about the course? Sure.
Tell me. Yeah, Jan.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
What about the question, sir? I have a doubt in what's OPPE.
Online programming. You guys also got notification regarding that?
Yes, sir, I got notification, but I didn't get any email.
So online programming examination. So you are in that. I mean, you are diploma or foundation assistant?
Foundation level.
Okay, so don't worry about that. That is not for you.
Thank you.
Chalo. Should I give more time? Less time? What?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
More time, sir.
Yeah, so this is the last question. After that, you can have food. So you all guys are at home, no? I mean, are staying in hostels.
Right now
Home
at
sweet
home,
home, sir. Home sweet home.
Good.
Hostel, sir.
Hostel. Okay. Yeah, but your mess might have closed, no? I mean, from 8 to continuously if you're sitting here. Like my mess is like closed now. 9:30 itself. Chalo. Yeah, I can see 14 response out of 60. So I have 60 joining, but why this only 30?
I'm waiting for my query, sir.
Sorry?
I'm waiting for my just one query, sir. regarding that question of practice assignment. So 6,
Okay.
week 6.
Okay, we'll take that one. Don't worry.
Yes.
Okay. What to? Do you want more time, guys?
Yes, sir. Just 2 more minutes, please.
Is it good or bad? How is it? I mean, question.
Good, sir. Good question.
I mean, good in the sense, are you able to think before coming to any conclusion from this one, which is correct? And also, which are the lines are not given? Assume that is correct one. Okay. As options, I mean, if one of the line is not given as the option, think that is correct. Okay.
Pencil.
Okay, I can see 21 response. Where are?
Answer.
Okay, great. So this is multiple select question, meaning there can be more than one correct. Okay, not only one correct. And I think I should not give the answer of this one. Think and come tomorrow. We'll discuss this one. Is it a good idea?
Yes, sir.
Can you please just explain the pseudocode?
Yeah, I will explain that one. Yeah, I can explain this one and this one. Yeah. Is it a good idea? If I do not explain and come tomorrow, we'll clear your doubt.
So tomorrow also will be the class?
Best idea, sir.
On-demand session will be there. No. So just asking, I'm going to explain actually. So that is for the TA are going to take that session. So.
Sir, please explain here itself because tomorrow I won't be able to join.
Okay. Okay, so I think people are done with this question. Should I?
Yes, sir.
Show the answer? Or
Yes,
people
sir.
are still people are trying? How many are trying?
Done, sir.
Trying, sir, trying.
Trying?
Answer.
Yes, sir. Trying.
Okay. Okay, we have 36 participants. Okay. Okay, so now I think time is up, guys. Okay. Chalo. So just I showed, okay, C, A, B, A, C, D, F. And you guys know what is the rule of this partial marking? Like, what do you think? Like, if you have answered, I mean, just okay. Let me show the options. Then I will just show the options actually. So how many have got A, B, F?
I got B and F.
B and F.
I got
Not
A, B.
Option I got B and F.
I mark only A.
Okay. How many have? So see, if someone have marked A, B, F, they will get full marks. Agree? If someone have marked only A, they will get total marks. The question, like let us say it's a 5 marks question or 6 marks question. So 6 by 3.
2 by
2
6.
marks.
1 by 3.
Yeah, 1 by 3, whatever the total marks. So if he has got 2, so 2 by 3 of total. If someone has A, B, and C, what he will get?
0.
0.
Good, no?
Yes, it is a very good,
Okay. Chalo. How many have got ABF? Tell me first.
Sir, I got ABF.
Okay.
A and F.
Then?
I got A and F.
I also got enough.
Okay. Others? Only few people are speaking. I don't know why. See, this is the time to speak. People are not speaking. Okay, one more 30 seconds to speak. Those who are not spoken till now. How many have got ABF? Or if you are not,
I
it's
have
fine.
got A. I have got A and B, right?
So I got ABF.
A and F.
Okay. Okay. So some people doesn't want to speak at all. Is it?
Maybe, sir.
Almost.
Yeah. So what is there? So what you have to do? Let A, LA, and LB be two sorted list of integer in ascending order. So LA and LB is ascending order. The procedure merge constructs a list LC. So from that itself, this is incorrect. You can see because LC should be initialized as a list. No. So it should be list, not a
Should be
dictionary.
in square brackets rather than
Yeah, it
curly.
should be in a square bracket. That's why this is incorrect. Okay. Merging and in a single sorted list, but procedure may have mistakes. Identify all such mistakes. Okay, chalo. What you have to do? You have LA and LB, which both are, what is that? Into a single sorted list. So according to ascending order. So just assume that. So this is for question number. Tell me something. Ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, it should be increasing order, no?
Yes.
So tell me something random. It should be not 1, 2, 3 like that. Tell me something which should be in ascending order. Tell me.
15, 20, 60.
5, then
5, 9, 13.
30 or 13.
13, 11.
Then
18.
Chalo. Now we have also LB also. LB, no? Yeah, tell me.
13.
Okay, great. 13.
20.
Sorry?
20.
20. Last.
40.
40. Any doubt? Nothing, no? Because we have already. Where is my pseudocode? Yeah. No, I have to show here. No? So LA and LB be two sorted list of integers in ascending order. This is according to the question. Everybody is agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And now we have to come. Procedure merge construct a list of LC. So LC should be defined as a list or initialized with a list. Merging LA and LB into a single sorted list. So you have to sort single sorted. Means you have to make it LC, which is according to again this statements according to this ascending order sorted. But pseudocode procedure may have mistakes. Identify all such mistakes. Chalo.
LC should also be in ascending order.
Yeah, we can say that
it is not
sorted of list.
It is not mentioned, na, sir.
Yeah, it
Yes,
is
sir,
not
it is
mentioned.
not mentioned.
Yeah, that is
Because we have to use then insertion if it would be arranged in ascending order, right?
Construct by LV in a single sorted list. So it should be ascending, but since I'm descending also ascending, both are fine. But since I have written ascending, I should be written actually here. Okay, I got it. What I was trying to say. Okay, but consider this is for the ascending order. Okay. But for that, we will make it, that is
LC.
Line 6 I have not given, so don't worry about that. Line 6 I have not given.
Written LC should be a single sorted list.
Yeah, LC should be a single sorted list in ascending or descending order that I had to write. Okay, no? To make it little more clear. Okay? So what is, while LA is greater than, length of LA is greater than 0, or length of LB is greater than 0.
I think there should be an.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Let us say this is general case we have considered. So this should be like this. Let us say in some case you have this one guy. This guy I agree. Okay, I have to delete then this guy. What if LB is, it can be like this also, no? I haven't.
Yes.
Two sorted list. Okay, but it is written that LA and LB is a sorted list of integer in ascending order. That makes little.
For this example, let's just assume that line
We
C
can
is
merge
correct.
in any order, right, sir?
Yeah.
Because it is not mentioned.
Yeah. So see, the problem will have when we will have LV as an empty list.
Sir, let's just
But I got it.
assume
What you're trying to say, I got it because it is already saying LA and LV should have to take as a
Yes, yes, sir. It is saying that integer.
ascending order.
Yes, sir.
So we can't take empty list, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in this while I mean in this while if the line 3 is correct, then in this while loop the whole pseudocode will be terminated. No?
Means for this case because first because this will be not defined, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. In empty, it will not be fine.
No, for also no. So that is actually correct. Still, this is correct. Even though this is not empty, but thing is that when it comes for the next time, let us say this guy has why it is or it should be not there. It should be and. I tell you why because in some cases you are doing something LA is rest of LA or LB rest of. So you are actually decreasing the number of elements. Once it comes like, see, do you think that LB will be going to finish fast because it has 3 elements only, no? At that time, this will be false, but this will be false. But this will be true.
LB,
Then it will.
How LB will be going to?
Acha, ठीक है, चलो. Let us say or is true. चलो, I tell you. ठीक है. What will be the what? Can we make it a little small so that we can?
Yes, sir. Just take 13 and 50.
Yeah. So
yeah.
It will not make any difference. I have already taken one common element. Fine, no? ठीक है ना? Everything will be covered. चलो. So length of LA is greater than 0. Is true or false condition? True?
True.
True, sir.
True, no? So obviously we are not going to check this further. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now X will be what? Tell me. X will be what? First of LA.
5.
What will be Y?
13.
Not defined.
13?
No, 13.
Now we'll check. If X is less than equal to Y, sorry, less than equal to Y.
True.
Yes.
True, sir.
I'm writing this guy, just a minute. X is less than, what is the value of X we are having here? 5.
5.
Less than equal to?
13.
13. What do you think? This is true or false?
True.
True, sir.
Will it go inside?
Yes.
Yes.
So what do we do? LC will be?
LC will be
A list with element 5.
Element X. X is what?
will be a list having element 5.
Agree?
Yes,
now,
sir.
This is else part. Obviously, we are not going because we have executed this part. No, next time again. And also, LA we have to make it short. No? So LA will be what?
9 and 13.
Rest of LA will be 9,
13.
13. Everybody agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now we are going next time again. A length of L is what?
2.
2. 2 is greater than?
0.
Correct.
Just 2 is greater. What do I have to write? X is equal to?
2.
No, this is obviously
X is equal to 9.
We are not going to check this guy. We'll come into and then what is the value of X we will have?
9.
9. Guys, any doubt?
Yes, yes.
And why will we?
13.
13. 13?
20.
Is it?
No, sir. Sir, 13.
How many are saying
13.
20?
13.
Now again we'll check what is. So X
9 will be less than or equal to
the value
13.
of X? 9.
9 will be less than or equal to 13. True.
True or false?
True.
Then again L will be? Sorry, LC, no. Sorry.
Yes, sir. LC.
LC will be what?
5
and 9.
5 and 9.
How many with me? Okay, I have to, sorry. I have to bring in one page. ठीक है, चलो. Now verb
In rest of LA.
LA will
13.
become
again
13
will
only.
sorry. Again we'll do what is that? LA, no?
Rest of LA
LA will be 13.
LA will
will
be
be 13.
13.
13.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Now
Now X will be 13.
so X will be what?
13.
13.
First of LA 13 and Y will be
13.
13. 13 less than or equal to 13. Condition.
It will be true.
if 13 is less than equal
Less
to
than or equal to 13.
13.
Will
It's
be
true or
true.
false?
True, sir.
True, sir.
It will go inside and what will do?
Yes,
LC
sir.
5,
5,
9, and 13.
13.
5, 9, 13.
and what will do?
Again, LA is equal to
LA
rest.
is now empty.
It will be a blank
Empty,
list.
sir.
Everybody agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Now length of LA is what? 0.
0.
0 is greater than 0.
No, sir.
No,
False.
sir.
False.
Then we'll check next.
And
Length of LB is what?
It is 2.
2.
Greater than 0.
Yes.
True.
Will come
Sir.
inside.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now
Then X will give error because
X
we
will
have
be
no
what?
Error,
It will
sir.
give an error because we have no element in LA.
ठीक है. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why it should be and here.
And
And operator.
Let us say now it is and now. Now we are thinking this is and. So error is what? So the correct will be what? While
It will block that
length of
in
LA
that
will be
sentence only.
It will give false in and.
be greater than 0.
and a length of LB is greater than 0.
Length of
LB is
LB
greater
should
than
be
0.
Be greater than 0.
greater than 0. So now for this condition it will be false.
False.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Where will go after that?
While loop. Line
While
number
loop.
15.
Here
Line up.
Next while loop.
L is what?
LA is 0, so it will
0.
not be executed.
Length of. Guys, how many are with me? I think people
Everybody,
wait for
sir.
food, I think.
I am, sir.
Greater than 0. So this is true or false? 0 is
False.
False, sir.
false. Will it go
False.
inside?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
We'll move
It will
to
go in
line
next
number
loop.
19.
Now we'll go there, this guy. Control C.
Next to I2. While length of L be greater than 0.
Length of L is what? 2.
2.
2.
2 is greater than?
0.
True.
It would
True.
become true.
Will it come inside?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
LC will be?
Sorry.
5, 9, 13, 13.
LC plus first of LV. What is the first of LV we have?
13.
We
Yes, sir.
already have
13.
5 comma 9 comma. Oh, that is the reason it is not written in ascending or descending, but sorted. Understand? That
Yes,
is,
sir.
it will be what? First of LV is what?
13.
13.
That will be appended like this.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
That's why that is the reason it is not written. Now you understood what that is also correct statement.
Yes, sir.
Now LV. LV will be what?
So it must be less.
Be a
Rest of LB.
rest of L be
So now understood. Now it should be rest of
LB.
L be.
LV, the correct statement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it will be like if it is there, then LV will be what?
20. Element
20.
20.
And then it will be up again. Length of LV is greater than
Will be
0.
appended.
Greater than 0. Again,
True.
it will be appended, and this will be look like
5, 9, 13,
5, 9,
13.
13, 13, 20.
how many have understood this part. So where are the
Yes, sir.
errors we have found? So we found error in line 2. It should be
Line 2, line 3, and
Line
line
3 and line 21.
and line 8
Line.
no error.
No
Line
errors.
2 also no error because it was
No
working.
error.
Line 17 also no error. Line 21 it should be erased. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलो.
I had missed that R operator, sir.
Sorry?
I had made wrong in option B, sir.
Option B.
I didn't answer it. I answered A and F.
Okay, so now you understood now what is the error in this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. This is the done. I mean, I don't have next question for this one. So, end this session. What is this? Week 6, no?
Yes, sir.
How many have still energy to ask doubt, or will you ask tomorrow? What do you think?
Yes,
We have
one
energy,
doubt
sir. It
only then.
depends on you.
I don't have energy. No, just
And sir, we don't have
Sir,
time
will you,
because there is no other session before deadline.
okay.
will you upload this the slides of today's session?
So yeah, I will get the questions. I will share the a student based activity as well as the link also. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. So how was the session? First,
It was great.
Great, sir.
Great, sir.
Good, sir.
Some concept is clear. I mean,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
list of list and list only is clear.
Sir,
That
okay,
was
sir.
not a concept error, but sir, it is the main reason of silly mistakes in this week.
okay. So always be careful for this one. So always just start wherever the rest. Something is you just start with the last one, which is the end one, the beginning one, like this one.
The
Where is
inner
that?
one. Yes.
Yeah, something is there. First, last, and that. Where is that? Something. Or I should write you said. First something.
Here, sir, in this pseudo code.
Control Z. This way should be. So raised something raised of L. So where you have to start first? You have to start from here.
And yeah.
Then
L.
whatever you found the value from here, now we have to calculate here, and then finally from here. Okay, na? Like that you have to do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo then.
Sir, please state my doubt, sir. I was waiting for 2.5 hours.
What is your doubt?
Sir, in that graded assignment,
Tell me the question number.
so the question number is
Fast. This what is time now?
yes. Sir. The
So
question
already
number is
spent.
6. Question number is 6.
6. So this is not deadline is not over, no? I can what? Let me. What is doubt in this?
Like fifth question is that if we are comparing from the initial, then sixth question is if we are comparing from the last. So we didn't vote any concept from the whole week.
Jitendra,
Yes, sir.
this is actually correct question. You have to think something. You have to think which these concept. I have
Yes,
already
sir.
explained in somewhere. Something is there. You have to think the data. Actually, you just take some dummy and then try to understand what it is saying. It is actually not a incorrect. This is correct question actually. But you have to think something. I mean,
and
that concept we have already talked so many times.
Okay, sir.
Just
And
think
there's
possible different type of data and try to execute.
yes, sir. And in practice assignment 6, question number first, sir.
Oh, I have to upload the
No, sir.
solution. No? The solution. No, big
No, no.
solution is there. No, yeah, solution is there.
Solutions are only the
number?
options are given, not that justification. Sir.
Which question number?
Sir, I am
6, sir.
No, sir.
There is no
first
solution.
question, sir.
This one.
Yeah, in that, sir, only two conditions are given from the or the students from the Madurai and when the gender is female. So the sequence number should be counted. The sequence number should be for the students from Madurai and the females in the whole list.
What it is? Oh.
So as per me,
What
sir,
is
it should be the B.
What is S represent? Okay. A will be the length of S. Yes. Tell
Yes,
me.
sir. So as per me, the answer should be B, sir. Number of
I don't know.
students.
So see, Jitendra, did you attend my one of the revision session or some session when I have explained OR condition, how OR condition and how it should be written in two different forms? I think people. How many have attended that session where I have explained the OR condition, how it works?
Me, sir. In fact, you just mentioned the or condition in one of the question. We have to see first condition and don't, if it's satisfied, then don't see the other condition.
Yeah. So Jitendra, I have explained this part. I think I don't know. You just check one of the YouTube and maybe you can connect with your friend. Try to get from there. I have explained this part actually, and I cannot talk here because this is a graded assignment question. If I talk, then
No,
It
sir.
is
This
not
is
graded,
practice.
sir. It is
This is
practice
practice
assignment.
assignment.
But in this
this is
question,
practice.
or function is there. So
See, what it will be? I just tell the answer. What it will be? See, X dot city Madurai. So it will count all the Madurai student. We are
Yes,
not
sir.
supposed to look at the next part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it will count all the Madurai students.
Yes, sir.
Let us say then what are the remaining with for which condition this will be false? Jitendra, tell me.
Sir, which condition the other cities it will be false?
Other than Madurai,
Yes, sir.
for that we'll look at this part.
Yes, sir.
So other than Madurai, and if this will be true for what? Female?
Yes,
So
sir.
other than Madurai, but female students.
Yes, sir.
So number of, where is that? Number of female students. Okay, this is a different style. Number of students from Madurai, number of students. No, I think so many confusing here. Okay. So number of.
Sir, I think last option should be the
So
correct
number of students from Madurai.
Yes, sir.
Plus number
Yes,
of
sir.
female students not from Madurai. That is what it is mean here.
Yes, sir.
Now, so this is when we are looking from this side. Now look at from this side. So it will count.
Yeah.
First, you are going to look this part. So you have to treat like this for or
Yes, sir.
condition. Just treat like this. First, you are looking from this side. So for that, you got this one. So number of students from Madurai, number of students from Madurai, because this is allowing for irrespective of gender. Agree? Only it filter
Copied,
for
sir.
Madurai.
Yes, sir.
What are the remain with me? What are the remaining? Those who are not from Madurai, and this will
Yes, sir.
allow for the female. So
Female
number
Yes,
of
sir.
students who are from Madurai, but female students. For that, it will allow. Number of female students not from
Yes,
Madurai.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at back from back. So it will count all the number of female students. Agree?
First the female. Yes, sir.
Now for which student this will be false?
male
Tell me.
student.
First.
For all males. For all males.
Only
The
males.
males from Madurai.
Yes, sir.
So now it will come here and it will check that for among all male students for which city it will allow.
Madurai.
Madurai.
So all
Yes, sir.
male students who are from Madurai, it will true. It will come
Yes,
inside
sir.
that. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
what somewhere it is number of female students plus number of male students. No, this is incorrect.
This is correct, sir.
Number of male students from Madurai.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sorry. Yeah, number of male students from Madurai. Correct, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
number
Yes,
of
sir.
all
Correct, sir.
female students and
Yes, sir.
number of male students from Madurai. It
Yes,
can
sir.
also say that number of
Got it, sir. Got it.
yeah, not male and female students.
Got
Understood?
it, sir. Yes, sir. Got
Chalo.
it. Got it. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow
I
you
will
guys
try
have
to
session.
read it, sir.
Okay, no? Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Tomorrow you guys have session from what time? Mostly from 10, I think. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo.
On demand session.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, one demand session. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining, and we'll meet with the two TAs. They were helping in, I think, in Hindi, and yeah, enjoy. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
sir. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt in activity 6.5. Is it possible for you to explain now, sir?
I was about to leave. I was just keeping, but what is that
Fine.
question?
Question number 234 from activity 6.5.
6.5. Huh? Two, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and
It is explained, Pradeepa. Just refer to last session. It is explained. You can watch it on YouTube. Rahul sir has explained all 3 questions.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you. I will see the YouTube.
Okay then.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. Chalo then. Bye. Good night.
Okay, sir. Good night. Good night.